Hamstrings are not muscle name, but the name of the muscle group, like a name of the band. When people can't do forward bend well because of the tight legs, they mean the tight hamstrings. This muscle is often tight when people complain about the discomfort or pain in the buttock, the groin, the thigh, or the knee. And when you get the hyper-irritable spot, aka trigger point, it can cause pain like this. So this group of the muscle originate on the sit bone and the shaft of the thigh bone, and it inserts to the both side of the leg bone, outside and inside. And when it contracts, it moves the leg behind and also bend the knee. So please double check the origin and the insertion of this muscle, and then let's stretch it. And this is how I do it. Standing your feet hip width apart. Grab your elbow with the hands and bend forward. Press your thighs back and lift your sit bone to the ceiling. You want to use a cushion for the stretch. I use a blanket. Sit on the floor, straight leg. I roll up a blanket for my head to rest. Activate the muscle to stretch your leg, push your heels away from your body, and push the knee down to the floor. Have your cushions handy. You want to bend your body forward, but you don't want to curl your upper body. You want to keep it straight and move your upper body away from your waist, knee pushing down. And rest your arms and head over the cushion. If it's too hard to do both legs at the same time, you can bend one leg on the side and then do it one by one. If your hip is too tight and hard to do so, you can do this way as well, whichever you feel comfortable. So these are just examples, and as long as you move the sit bone and then the shaft of the thigh bone and both sides of the leg bone away from each other, you stretch this muscle properly. For example, bend the trunk forward with a straight leg. So make sure you follow the back stretch steps, scan the whole body and feel what the targeted muscle feels like and another part of the body feels like. And stretch by contracting opposed muscle because you want to strengthen this muscle, right? And make sure you listen to your body carefully. And after you feel stretch or release, scan the whole body again. And don't forget to record what you find from the stretch on the body map. And for your convenience, I made a video that you can do back stretch with me. But please understand it only holds in a position for 90 seconds, which can't be the exact length your body wants. So please respect your body's request. If it wants to stop beforehand, then stop it. If it wants to keep going, keep going. So please respect its needs, not me. Alright, you are good to go. Happy releasing!